So in the previous video we have created this waypoint in which we now have the previous waypoint and the next waypoint data. Okay, I mean we will store that inside this waypoint. Now what we want to do, we want to create a waypoint manager window from which we will be able to create waypoints in our environment. So if we click on this assets folder, which is the project main folder, okay, right here as you can see we don't have any editor folder. So if you don't have any editor folder as well, then just simply click on create folder and let's name this as editor. Okay, make sure that you name this the same as I did. Then inside this editor folder we will create a C# script by the name of waypoint manager window. Press enter and let's open this up. Now let me tell you that what we will do on this script is we will actually create our own window just as similar to the inspector, for example. Okay, this inspector is also a window as you can see. Okay, so we will be creating a window similar to the inspector but with our own options, and that options will be for creating the waypoints. Okay, so for that first of all we need to create a menu like this. Okay, for example you can see this window and in this window we have a lot of options. So in order to create a window like that, at the top of the script first of all we need to type using Unity editor. Let's change this script from the mono behavior to the editor window. Okay, then let's remove these two methods, and as I told you, first of all we need to create a menu, so we will say menu item. Let's name our main menu as waypoint, and then in here we will create a menu option by the name of waypoint editor tools. Then right down below let's create a window as well, so we will say public static. Let's name this as show window. Let's name this window as well. As you notice the inspector name at the top of the window, so we will say get window, and in here we will say waypoint manager window. Now right here we can type the name for it for the window as well, so we will name this as waypoint editor tools as well. You can name this whatever you want, but I will leave this as waypoint editor tool as well. Then if you save this script and get back to Unity, at the top right here you will find this waypoint main menu in which we have this waypoint editor tools submenu, and if we click on it, it will open up this window which is by the name of waypoint editor tools as well. Okay, so this is the waypoint, this is the submenu name which we type right here, and then this is the window name. Okay, you can name this whatever you want. And also if you want this waypoint to be inside this window option just as this text journals rendering options, okay, then you can do that as well. For that just simply type window right there, then save the script, get back to Unity. Now as you can see the option of the waypoint vanishes, but if you click on window, now inside the window we have this waypoint editor tool. Okay, so in this way you guys can create your own manager windows. Okay, so now we have our own waypoint editor window. Let's end this video right here.